Want to grow your muscles like this? Yeah, I'm talking about that dream physique you've always wanted: bulging biceps, a chiseled 8-pack, and all the muscle definition you could ask for. But what if I told you that you don't need to hit the gym for hours or even lift a single weight to get it? What if I told you the secret is in AI-powered technology?
Are you sure?
That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how you can transform your body using the AI muscle generator.
Okay.
It's as simple as a few clicks, and you'll get to see yourself in a whole new, more muscular light. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the link in the description below to access Wondershare Virbo. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, click on Create AI Muscle Video Now, and you'll be taken straight to the Wondershare Virbo platform. If you don't have an account, don't worry. You can sign up for a free account. If you're already a member, simply log in and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here's where the fun begins. In the dashboard, look for the AI Generation tab. This is where we'll upload the photo and let the AI work. It's magic. Go ahead and upload a photo of the person you want to transform into a muscle-packed version of themselves. It could be you, it could be a friend, just choose the image. Now, you need to tell the AI exactly what you want. For this, type in, transform the man with a muscular version with 8 packs, bulging biceps, flexing its arms. This is the magic phrase to make sure the AI knows exactly what kind of superhero physique you're aiming for. Once you've entered the prompt, hit generate video, and that's when the real magic starts. Sit back and relax while the AI takes care of the rest. It usually only takes a few moments for the AI to work its muscle magic, and here it is. Check this out. So, what do you think? Whether you're just curious about how you'd look with some extra muscle or you just want to have some fun with technology, this AI muscle generator is an absolute game changer. Imagine being able to see your transformation without breaking a sweat. Want to give it a try? Click that link in the description below and start your own transformation with Wondershare Virbo today. If you found this video fun or helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any more cool tech updates. And remember, your dream body is just a click away. Catch you in the next one.